What is up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be explaining how to check for faulty wheel bearings. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get the trolley jack and we're going to place it underneath at the correct jacking point, underneath the sill there, lift the car up, and then we'll proceed to check the faulty bearings. Now please make sure that your handbrake's on and you've got your car in gear or in park prior to lifting the vehicle. Okay, prior to lifting the vehicle up, what we'll need to do is tighten the wheel nuts up to the specified torque. That's just because we don't want the wheels to be a little bit loose due to loose wheel nuts and give us a false reading. Right, so what we'll do now is we'll find the correct jacking point, which on the Mini R56 is here. So we'll just push the trolley under, like so. And then we'll lift the vehicle up. So what we want to do is we want to jack the car up using a trolley jack, and then once we get it up to a certain height, we'll use the axle stands so that everything's safe and there's no way that the car can fall down on top of you or trap your arms or anything like that while we carry out this procedure. Okay, so what we want to do simply is we grab the wheel at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, we pull from side to side, and we shouldn't get any clunking or clicking. Then we grab the wheel at 12 and 6 o'clock, and the same, pull it in and out, and we shouldn't get any clunking or clicking. And while we've got the car jacked up, we'll also check the rear wheel bearings. So again, same, grab at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, side to side, no play, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, no play. Okay? Take your handbrake off, make sure there's no grinding or rubbing or anything like that. And then that way you know that the bearing is fine. So now I'll do the exact same test on the other side of the vehicle. So I'll start by pulling and pushing at the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position on the wheel, and then again on the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. And then that way I'll be checking for any clunking or clicking or any rough noises coming from any of the wheel bearing or the suspension parts. And then finally I'll give the wheel a turn just to make sure there's not any rough noises apparent. Then it's just a matter of releasing the car down from the axle stands using the jack. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.